Welcome to LMC. Today we're taking a look at this Toyota Prius Plus XL HEV. It's got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and is on 42,940 miles. A lovely little 7-seater, perfect if you've got a larger family, and of course nice and economic with that hybrid engine. Finished off in a dark grey, you've got alloy wheels all the way around. Lovely looking front end, a nice aggressive upper grille with these bright front lights. We've also got sensors on the sides here as well. Tinted glass on the side and rear for a bit extra privacy. And a nice looking boot lid spoiler, finishing off the rear end nicely. You've got a rear facing camera. Plenty of boot space. At the moment you can see it's configured to seat 5 people. You've got an incredible amount of room here by simply pulling these tabs up. You've got your 6th and then of course your 7th seat, with still enough boot space for luggage in the back, and the rear seats also feature cup holders. Taking a look at the rest of the interior, half leather seating, nice comfortable fabric with loads of legroom. Up front with your window controls on the door card, half leather seats up front with a leather armrest, and a push to start button, bringing up your instrument cluster up here in the middle. Now you've also got steering wheel controls on either side of your wheel, and then moving on into the centre you'll find maps and navigation, as well as radio and different media sources like aux, Bluetooth, CD and USB. There's Bluetooth connection for your phone as well for hands-free, and a multitude of different apps here like the Toyota Assistance, parking app, and some of our nice little features. Putting the vehicle into reverse brings up your rear camera, and then beneath this you'll find climate controls, heated seats located just beneath the centre console. That takes us back to your cup holders, storage underneath the armrest, and some options here like eco mode and the ability to go full EV mode. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.